Hello everyone, this is Rashi Gaur, Global Consultant, Astrology, Numerology, Vastu and Feng Shui, and I'm here on the sets of SSBeauty talking about something very interesting. Festive season is round the corner. It is a time to open our doors to abundance, to socialize with our family and friends, and to attract all wonderful things to our lives and to dress up. What most of us don't know is that when we dress up, we attract that glam and glitz to ourselves. We are actually enhancing our Venus, the planet of love, luxury, beauty and riches. Find out how can you enhance your Venus by these beautiful tips that I'm bringing to you. How to work on your magic, how to bring out your aura as per your zodiac sign. Let's begin with the water sign. You're a water sign if you're a Cancer, Scorpio or Pisces. Cancer, not that shy. This is often referred to as the girl next door. The demure beauty carries romance in her heart like no one else. This is a movable sign, so pretty much like a moving river. The emotions run high and low, but at the same time there is purity to moving water. And this is what Cancer is for you. This sign is ruled by the moon, and hence silver tones do wonders to bring out your aura. This festive season, bring out the silver touches to your eyelid. Play with either a silver shimmer or add some silver eyeshadow to your lids. Team it up with peachy blush and get your lipstick to match that dewy look. Your lucky day is Monday and your lucky colors are white and silver. And if you're looking for that perfect crystal jewelry, pick up something to do with moonstone or pearls. They are great for you. Scorpio, the mysterious one. Ruled by Mars, this zodiac sign is irresistible, intense and alluring. This is a fixed water sign, which means it's like still waters. And we all know that still waters run deep. The zodiac sign is known to hold strength within, which is unmatched by any other sign. This festive season, bring out your aura with the right kind of smoky eyes. The dark palettes are specially made for you. After all, it's all about the eyes for you. The eyes say it all or hide it all. Bring out your sultriness and your romantic side with just a touch of soft pink lip tint. Choose from the dark palettes. After all, they were created just for you. Your lucky days are Tuesday and Thursday, and your lucky colors are deep red, burgundy, and maroon. In terms of your crystal, if you want to play around with the right kind of jewelry, play with black tourmaline. This is your go-to crystal. Pisces, the dreamy one. Ruled by Jupiter, this is the last water sign and a dual sign. Imagine the large ocean, accepting beautiful high tides, low tides. Pisces is romantic, dreamy and moody. Nurturing and compassionate. Bring out your romantic side this season with the right kind of hues which are romantic and dreamy, such as pinks, lilacs and mauves. Play with the soft hues and don't forget to add that gold highlighter for that extra zest. Your lucky day is Thursday and your lucky colors are violet, mauve and gold. This festive season, in terms of jewelry, bring some rose quartz to yourself and get that romantic side moving. Fragrances best suited to water signs are the notes that enhance your emotional senses. Fragrances that are fragile and delicate, such as oceanic or tropical. If you really enjoyed watching this video, do not forget to like, subscribe and share. SSBeauty is your place to go.